Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another great video. I recently purchased something on Amazon and I received it yesterday. So it's hood insulator, and later you'll figure out why I need it. Yes, my 3000 GT, which is almost 30 years old. The hood insulator is still original and it's damaged. So my next project is to install a brand new one. And you can see the video how it's all torn, and so I have to replace it, so it's not effective as it should. And so that's the this is this is the brand new hood insulator. So let me see this way, which way is better. Oh yeah, you see, it's better this way. It is better this way than this way because it's a little bit short. So I need to do it like this. Right? This way. I'm gonna leave a little bit. Okay. So I have a pen, and there's a reason for that. I will mark the places where I'm going to cut, and I have scissors to do that. Now I'm going to trace where I'm cutting. All right, so since I've already traced the trace where I'm going to cut so I can safely remove this now. This. Careful, carry this. Yeah, dry it. I want it to carve it. All right, so now let's try to install this. And it's a little bit bigger, and after all, I may not even need to put the clips because this one has glue. Well, this is it. After all, I didn't have to put the clips, uh, mainly because it comes with it's glue. It is the glue, so it sticks together. But it is it is great. Not perfect. Perfect meaning that you have. I would have to put the manufactured one, but this one I made it myself, cut it, and so it's good. And so once the vehicle is heated up, then it will seal even better. Thanks for watching. See you next time.